Okay guys, today we are continuing area with both rhombi and kites because they have the same formula. So rhombi and kites, here's the formula, you take both diagonals that go through it, multiply them together, and then divide by 2. So let's take a look at this guy. In this case, we're going to be doing all types of questions. Ones where they give us both sides, ones where they give us one side in the area. So we're solving for MO, but LN all the way across is 10, and the whole area is 30. So it is 10 times a diagonal, all divided by 2, equals 30. Now we have to start getting the diagonal or the D by itself. First thing, multiply by 2, and multiply by 2. 10 times our diagonal equals 60. And get our diagonal by itself, we'll divide by 10. And our other diagonal would be 6. Let's look at another. WY is 8, so WY is 8. LN we don't have, but we have our area of 36. So we know that 8 times a diagonal, all divided by 2, equals 36. Got to get rid of our fractions to make our life easier. 8 times D equals 72. Last step, divide by 8 to solve, and our diagonal is 9. I was going to say 7. Oh, it's 9. And our other type of example is when we have both diagonals, so J to M is 14, and, oh, that's a typo. It's supposed to say LK, so L to K is 17. So we have both diagonals, 1/2, 17 times 14. Remember, 1/2 is divide by 2. So in the calculator, 17 times 14, all divided by 2, and our area should be 119. Okay, we will do 3 more. Let's see here, A to C is 15, B to D is 7.5, so we have both of our diagonals. They're going diagonally through the shape. So this one, 7.5 times 15, all over 2. Just use your calculator, 7.5 times 15, I'm typing it right now, all divided by 2. I'm getting an area of 56.25. Okay, next one. JL is 8.3. I don't have KM, but I have the area. So this is back to the 8.3 times the diagonal all over 2 equals area, 78.85, times both sides by 2 to start isolating the fraction, or getting rid of the fraction, I should say. I get 157.7. Last step is to divide by, not 8.8, 8.3. And we get 19 from that. Last one, number 6. They do not give us Q to N, but they give us M to P. That is 15, and they give us the area. So since I don't have both diagonals, 15 times my other diagonal, all divided by 2, equals my area. So I should get 270, divided by 15 on both sides. And my other diagonal should equal 18. And that's all we're doing for Rhombi and Kite. Multiply the two diagonals, divide by 2. That equals whatever the area would be. We just plug in accordingly, and you can solve for any part. After this, you guys are going to be practicing on the maze, which is the next page. So go ahead and give that a try.